Okay, I'm gonna unlock the ATV Fume Hook mastery in this video. This mastery allows you to use the grappling hook up to 3 times after you run out of fuel. So I'm gonna just play a cup to get some more XP for the 4th part and get that ATV chest at 25k points on the trophy road, and then I'll do a little test or something, I suppose, on that mastery. I mean, that's definitely going to be a game-breaking mastery, particularly with adventure mode. If you get 2 extra opportunities to use the hook after there's no fuel left, it will definitely be insane. Oh! Okay, we have the ATV chest now. Okay, I got 2,500 XP because of that thing. Okay, let's see now. So to test out this mastery, I'm using the hook 3 times. Let's just get low fuel here. So that's 1, 2. Okay, let me do that again. Okay, so that's 1 use. That's 2. Okay. That was actually, I think that was 4 actually, not 3. Unless that little hook didn't count, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try on a more straight track just to get an idea. Okay, so there's 3 attempts. No, it lied. I swear to God, it lied. Okay. See, there's 1. Then there's 2. There's 3. 4. Dude! Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe. Okay. Okay, there's 1. 2. 3. 4. 4! Oh, I don't know. It must be... Am I just imagining things, or is it actually 4 times so you get to use the hook, not 3? Just... Yeah, I don't know. I don't know is it even if it is but it says 3 Henry. But yeah, there's a little showcase of that mastery anyway.